how to log in to Amazon Prime Video account on PC or desktop. So if you want to log into Amazon Prime Video account on your PC or desktop, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and you need to simply go and search for Prime Video and go with www.primevideo.com and go with the upper right, which has that sign in option. So go with the profile and here you will get the sign in option. Click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, then you need to sign into your account. So to sign in, you need to enter your email address or mobile phone number. So I'll be choosing email address. Once you enter your email address, go with continue and you need to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, you can go with forgot password, or if you think that you entered the wrong email address, you can go with change and you can change your email address. Or if you don't remember, you can go with forgot password. But if you remember your password, you can go with password and enter your password and click on sign in. And that's it. You're signed into your account. So that's how you can sign into your Prime Video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.